different problems are faced by lawyers in 3 different stages of their career. Okay. Whether it is good pain or bad pain, also tell me. Young lawyer, mid-career, and senior lawyer, 3 different stages. So let's look at the young lawyers. Okay. No earning in the beginning or negligible earning in the beginning, and everyone justifying this. This is normal. You should, how can you expect any earning in the beginning, right? Exploitation by unscrupulous seniors. None of you said this, but there are a lot of clients who have nothing much to offer. So a lot of seniors who are basically treating their juniors like furnitures, okay, and in their office, and only there to show, like, if clients come, they will see, oh, this guy has so many juniors. Otherwise, they are not getting anything. Okay. Anyone know such seniors? Not senior advocates don't do this, but some lawyers do this, right? And I have had my students complain to me saying that my senior is asking me to wash his car. Is this normal? Okay. So what can you say? And carrying files, of course, that is to there. Delhi is a very expensive city if you want to practice in Supreme Court. Depending on parents, even after you're dependent on your parents, even after spending a lot of money on law degree. How many of you are facing this? Right? Lawyers, a lot of juniors are doing the work of clerk, doing the work of typist, doing the work of, I don't know who, I mean, everything, right? Depending on parents, even after spending a lot of money on law degree, clients also trying to take advantage of young lawyers and trying to pay nothing. Okay. Seems like exactly same happening in Lahore High Court. Okay. Very hard for young lawyers to build credibility in the court, right? In the court, I mean, it is easier for you to go out and build credibility somewhere else, but to build credibility in the court is like, if you start build credibility, people don't like it. It's like that. Like, itna jaldi credibility bana lega kya? How can you build credibility so quickly? This is very bad, right? You need gray hair to succeed as a lawyer. How many of you have heard this and maybe believe in it also? Seniors don't pay or train. First, they said they will not pay, but they'll train you. Then you realize they will not train you also. Has it happened? Okay, you said, okay, sir, train hi kar do, paise mat do. But now nothing is happening. Mid-career lawyers. Now you think that, okay, I'm a junior lawyer, only I have this problem. When I become, after 10 years, this problem will not be there. Now, let's see what problems people with 7 to 10 years of experience are facing. Have built a practice locally after many years of practice and hard work and sheer perseverance, and would be quite difficult to uproot now and go to another city in Delhi to build practice. How many of you are facing this? कि भाई यहाँ पे तो कुछ बन गया है, लाख 2 लाख रुपए महीने आ रहा है client से, I'm at least comfortable, something I am earning, but now I have a big dream. I want to go to Supreme Court. I want to do big things, right? But how do I do it? Can I just leave everything here? Then this will also go. Whatever I have made in all these years after such hard effort, this will also go, and I am expecting the same thing in Supreme Court again. Are you ready for this? I thought I will be something much bigger by now, but it seems other people are moving forward and I am stuck in my career. Is this happening with you? Especially your friends who went into engineering, medicine, even in law, they are doing better than you, and you're like, what is happening with me? I was smart, I was good, I worked hard, I was supposed to do something good in my life. 10 years I gave to this profession, 5 years I gave. People who went into corporate lawyers driving BMWs and all. Okay. I want to get to the next level, but how? Where can I even begin? Right? I have a few ideas, but I do not get time, or I am not able to implement them, right? You have some ideas, but you're not getting time and space or resources to implement them. It is painful to see other people do those things, and I do not have the discipline. Maybe you have a discipline problem. How many of you have a discipline problem? You know that बाकी लोगों को blame करके फायदा नहीं है. Before I blame others, I need to recognize that I only have a problem. It is so hard to find a decent junior. Okay? Because you're not finding a decent junior, you're not able to grow your practice or go to next level. I am not able to build a brand name for myself. It is still hard to find clients after all these years, and the clients shop around to many different lawyers for the cheapest lawyer, and there are so many lawyers ready to undercut me. So you're always under some threat and insecurity. I live in a small city or town. There is no work here and absence of good opportunities. The market is bad. We can't do anything. Okay, how many of you are feeling like this? A lot of people since last year have a perfect excuse. Now, though, we don't need anything else. Right? Nothing can be done. COVID times. What can be done? Market is bad, right? No option. Nothing can be done. Legal profession is unfair. The world is unfair. I must charge less than big law firm partner or whatever. Like, I need to charge very less so that I can get client. Many of you are in this situation. I need to be born in an elite legal family to succeed in the profession. When everything is over, then you start blaming your parents only, right? It would take a long time to train and onboard junior lawyers. Now you think that, okay, senior, mid-career, all these problems. Now seniors. I am old, but I am still doing the work myself and working very hard. Is there any end to this? Okay, this is your future, guys. If you don't be very careful, this will be your future. Okay, I am very old. I'm still doing all the work myself. I'm working very hard even at this age. Is there any end to this? I had wanted to make a Supreme Court practice someday, but years went away and I never had the opportunity. Kuch hua hi nahi. Can I still do it at my age? We get so many people coming up and saying, my age is 60, my age is 50, can I still do it? And I am happy for them, that they, at least at this age, they are doing what their dream is. But I think that what if they could do this 20 years back? Maybe sometimes people genuinely had a different dream 20 years back, they pursued it. Someone who was here who was a JAG officer, right? He's a JAG officer, it was his dream, he fulfilled it. Now he has another dream, that's okay. But if you could not fulfill your first dream and you are postponing it, it's just sad. That is not okay.